Alright guys, as usual, this is VNfatBIKER Studio. Your first time to tune in to my channel. Huwag niyo kakalimutan, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, okay? To receive all my weekly gadget review. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. But wait, there's more. Hindi natin tatapusin ng 2020 nang walang paabot, okay? So, I'll be giving away gadget giveaways, okay? But sad to say, I think hindi naabot ang December 25, but on the succeeding days after December 25 or Christmas, I'll be giving away 3 drones and 3 action camera. Okay? We will raffle it or giveaways to all you, my subscriber and loyal subscriber. Okay? Kahit hindi subscriber, mag-subscribe na kayo. Support me my 4,000 or road to 4,000 subscriber. Okay? This is the mechanic. How to join that particular drone and action camera giveaways. Okay? Listen and watch this. Okay? I will have a 2 series of videos. Okay, take note. Magkakaroon ako ng 2 video. Okay? After this video, magkakaroon ako ng 2 video. Ang first video, i-review ko, I will review this product. It's a drone. Okay? It's a drone. Okay? After I review it, okay? Doon kayo magko-comment. Again, doon sa drone gadget review ko na yan, unboxing, quick review ko, mag-comment kayo doon. Comment whatever, and then sa dulo, lagyan nyo ng hashtag VNfatBIKER. Malinaw? That's the first video, okay? So, ang second video, okay, is all about unboxing and quick review of an action camera. Okay, pag motovlog, pang-vlogging nyo, or pang-security, ganun yun. So I will not reveal the brand yet, okay? Again, same thing, okay? Once na i-publish ko yun, na-release ko yung video na yun, mag-comment, okay? At the end of your comment, put hashtag VNfatBIKER Studio. Malinaw? Clear? Okay? So, kung hindi malinaw, rewind, mababasa nyo, kung mapapanood nyo, yung sinabi ko. Okay? So, yun ang pinaka gagawin nating mechanics. Ang hindi makasunod sa mechanics, disqualified. Okay? And again, wait, there's more. Kung sino man yung mapipili o mananalo sa tambiolo, I will ship it to you. Okay? Free of charge. Sagot ko na rin for those gadgets. Shipping to you. Pero, within Philippines lang po, no? Walang international. Kung may kamag-anak kayo na taga dito, then doon ipapadala. So, good luck sa ating lahat. Okay, this is just part of my sharing the blessing for this YouTube of VNfatBIKER Studio, and hopefully support me in my 4,000 review. Again, watch and listen to the mechanics. I will tell it again. There will be 2 videos. Drone video, okay, unboxing ng drone video at unboxing ng isang drone camera. 2 video yun. Once na ma-release ko yun, write comment and put hashtag VNfatBIKER sa dulo ng comment nyo, and you are now qualified. And then after that release of the 2 videos, I will have a separate announcement for the raffle or pipili natin sa giveaways. So malinaw po, and good luck po sa inyong lahat. Okay? So let's get it on, guys.